Welcome to Once Upon a Dish, where something delicious happened. Today we swirl our spoon into something thick, red, and surprisingly violent. It's the sauce on your pasta, the base of your pizza, the comfort food you think you know. But behind that warm tomato glow is fear, empire, sacrifice, and a fruit once called the devil's apple. This is not just a sauce, it's a story of blood and brilliance. Stick around. You'll never twirl spaghetti the same way again. Oh, and if you like your food with a dash of drama and a side of history, hit subscribe. We serve history warm. Before it was Italian, before it was red sauce, the tomato was sacred. Cultivated by the Aztecs and Mayans, the original tomato was vibrant, wild and dangerous, used in ritual feasts and sacrifices. Yes, blood and tomatoes side by side. When Spanish conquistadors arrived in the 16th century, they took more than gold. They took seeds. And when the tomato sailed across the Atlantic, Europe didn't say thank you. It said, "That thing looks poisonous." Tomatoes were feared across Europe. Why? Because wealthy nobles ate off pewter plates, which contained lead. The tomato's acid pulled the lead out and poisoned them. So what did they blame? The tomato, of course. It was dubbed the poison apple, linked to madness, lust, and witchcraft. Doctors warned against it. Priests preached against it. Some people just grew them as decoration. Beautiful, untouchable, deadly. But not everyone had silver spoons and superstition. In southern Italy, poor communities embraced the tomato. Why? Because they had nothing else. Naples, especially, became the heart of la cucina povera, the kitchen of the poor. Here, pasta met tomato, and magic began. Meanwhile, the Catholic Church, always good at PR, quietly blessed the shift. Tomatoes were perfect for fasting. No meat, no sin, and they were cheap. Holy food for hungry people. By the 19th century, industrial canning had arrived, and tomatoes took over. Then came immigration. Southern Italians brought their red sauce recipes to America, and in kitchens from Brooklyn to Boston, tomato sauce became identity. Red meant home. Red meant survival. Red meant mama. The irony? Italy didn't fully embrace tomato sauce until it came back to them, from abroad. Today, red sauce is everywhere. Pizza, pasta, ketchup's angry cousin. But few remember it began in temples with blood and fear, and rose from the bottom of the barrel. So, next time you ladle tomato sauce over your spaghetti, remember, you're tasting a history, a revolution, a poor man's invention, and a holy loophole. Food is weird like that, and delicious. What's your tomato sauce style? Rich and garlicky, light and fresh? Or do you, brace yourself, put sugar in it? Drop it in the comments. No judgment. Okay, maybe just a little. And if you like this story, subscribe to Once Upon a Dish, because every bite has a backstory, and we serve history warm. Bon appétit!